Okay, here on example number one, we're going to try using that um, idea that we just went over for the sum of the interior angles of a polygon. So let's take the one they're giving us. They're giving us this little squished pentagon. If we go from one corner and we make our diagonals, we see that we have a total of 3 triangles. We can break this up into 3 times 180 degrees would be suggesting that for the interior angles, if we add up all of these angles that I've just labeled, these 5 interior angles, if we get all of them added together, it should equal 3 times 180 because we're covering all 3 angles within these 3 triangles. Okay, so that should give us 180 per triangle, and altogether, that should give us 540 degrees. Okay, so that's our expectation, that all 5 of these should add up to 540 degrees. Now, if that is the case, I should be able to take the labels they gave me, such as 2x, 2x, 3x plus 14, 3x plus 14, should be able to add up all that stuff and say that is equal to 540. Okay, so let's do that. So we have, let's just go from the top. We have 142. We have 2x, we have another 2x, we have 3x and 14. We have that twice. So we have 3x plus 14 and another 3x plus 14. Okay, so let's go through and let's simplify some stuff down. Just counting up my x's, first of all, I appear to have 2 of them, 4 of them, 7, and then 10 altogether. Just adding those up, right? 2x, 2x, 3x, and 3x should add up to 10 x's altogether. So I've got 142 plus 10x plus 14. We'll put that 142 and 14 together and get 156. Okay, so this is the sum of all of my angles. And from before, we have an expectation for what that sum should equal. It should equal that 540 number. I'm going to put that in, equals 540. Okay, at this stage, very simple, just to go through and do the algebra. We'll subtract 156 from both sides, and we'll end up finding that 10x is equal to, when I do this, I usually just look at like, what do I need to add to get up to each number? So from in the 1 position, there's a difference of 4, and then that would go up to 6, so then we'd have to go up by 8. We'd carry the 1, that would be a 2, and we'd have to add 3. So that should work. Let me check real quick. So 100, 300 is 400, 530, 540. Yep, looks good to me. Okay, so it appears that we need to divide both sides by 10. Well, dividing by 10 with our base 10 number system means that we're really just going to be moving a decimal point in. Okay, so it appears to me that my unknown value in this problem would have been 38.4 degrees. Going back to the picture, 38.4 degrees. 2 of those would be what? A little bit under 80 degrees. 2x, that looks like a little bit under 80 degrees. It's not quite a 90-degree angle. So I think this picture, if drawn accurately, reflects that this answer looks pretty good. Okay, well, that is it for example number 1.